Brad Williams, Excel Prime.
Entering and editing worksheet data. We'll be covering a lot in this section, so let's get to it. Section 1, everything you need to know about entering and editing worksheet data. Number 2, removing the mystery behind entering numeric values. 3, simple ways of entering text value. 4, the ultimate guide to how to enter formula values. 4.1, quick ways to enter text and values into your worksheet. 5, tips on how to enter dates and times into your worksheet. 6, super easy ways to modify cell content. 7, a surprising tool to help autofill a series of values. 8, 2 brilliant ways to use autocomplete to automate data entry. Number 9, an incredibly easy method to force text to appear on a new line within a cell. 10, learn how to use autocorrect for shorthand data entry. 11, entering fractions, incredibly easy method that works for all. 12, easy ways to use a form for data entry faster. 13, super simple ways of entering the current date or time into a cell. And 14, fast and easy ways to apply number formatting. An Excel workbook can hold any number of worksheets, and each worksheet is made up of more than 17 billion cells. The cell can hold any of 4 basic types of data: a numeric value, text, a formula, and an error. Also, a worksheet can hold charts, diagrams, pictures, buttons, and other objects. These objects aren't contained in cells. Instead, they reside on the worksheet's drawing layer, which is an invisible layer on top of each worksheet. So let's get started.
Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Thank you.